taking my Glidden Premium here, and I'm going to be doing a Jessica Winterstrom swipe through. I don't know what she calls it, but I'm going to layer my colors here. That's the TLP Storm I got in the mail, and I put on top of that some Amsterdam Pearl Green. I sped this up because it's going to be really long if I don't. My next color is Pebeo Blue Black. Doesn't have to be perfect, but try to get most of it covered. And I'm just scooting all the paint to the middle there, and this is my Amsterdam Pearl Blue that I put on my Pebeo Blue Black and cover it all up with Prussian Blue by Amsterdam. Okay, now I'm putting the white cell activator with a couple of drops of gold in it. Give a little squiggle, a little stretch, a little tilt. It's trying to be minimal, but it doesn't happen that way all the time. Some more squiggles, and this one I do white with gold, I believe. Just another squiggle. Okay, now I gotta tilt this thing out and get some of this paint off. Seems like with this method I always get this water looking granite with pebbles, stones, whatever, but I think it turns out pretty cool. And I wasn't quite sure how it was gonna dry because those pearl colors in there, you know, it all looks white right here. I could barely sleep the night it dried because I was imagining it, all the white parts, to be blue and green, but I will show you that at the end, the dried results. Okay, thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos. Thank you. Bye.